Hello, good people. Master RabbitMQ like a pro. So are you an architect, a software developer, a software engineer, a DevOps engineer, a GTOps engineer, a cloud engineer, a product owner, a product designer, an architect, a business owner, an entrepreneur, a techpreneur, and all that? If you're within distributed system, robust system, reliable system, flexible system, then these are videos that you don't want to miss. So are you building a microservice or a microservice architecture or an event-driven system or a distributed application? Then you need a solid understanding of RabbitMQ, one of the most powerful and flexible messaging broker in the industry right now. It's cloud-based, on-prem, it's open source, so meaning the cost is still cheap, and it has some goodies that we have not even harnessed. So in my latest YouTube tutorial, I'll break down Rabbit at an advanced engineering level, where I'll talk about how Rabbit actually works in terms of exchanges, queues, and routing, why it beats other messaging brokers like the Kafkas, the SQS, and the PubSub. Real-world microservice patterns, live demo. I'll give you a live demo of producer and consumer setup, engineering level, where I'll talk about how Rabbit actually works in terms of exchanges, queues, and routing, why it beats other messaging brokers like the Kafkas, the SQS, and the PubSub. Real-world microservice patterns, live demo. I'll produce and consumer setup. I'll explain to you the DLX, retries, TTL, and advanced configurations within RabbitMQ. I'll do a clean Spring Boot implementation of the same, and much more. So whether you're a backend engineer, an architect, or just leveling up your skills in terms of understanding what happens at the backend, this tutorial will upgrade how you design distributed systems. So watch the full video here. I'm putting the link in the description. If you find it helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Share with your teams, share with your friends. More deep dive content is coming around the same channel.